you recently get a CP40 notice from the IRS, here's what that really means and why ignoring it could cost you big time. I'm Brad Paladini, a tax attorney, and I've helped hundreds of clients with this exact same notice. Let's break it down. What is an IRS notice CP40? This letter means that the IRS handed your case over to a private debt collector. Yes, now your case is being handled by a private party and not the IRS directly. This third party is allowed to contact you and try to collect the debt. Here's what most people miss. You still owe the IRS the money, not the collection company. The CP40 letter isn't a scam, but there are scammers out there who are trying to mimic this letter to trick taxpayers. So here are some things you can do to know that it's legit. The letter should have the same collection agency. Typically, the IRS uses either CBE Group or Concern. And it should also contain a taxpayer authentication number on the notice. You can call the number on the notice to verify that it's true. I would also double check your IRS account transcripts to make sure that you actually owe balances. You can even confirm with the IRS that the case is being handled by a third-party debt collector. So what should you do? Step one, don't ignore it. Like every other correspondence you receive regarding tax debt, ignoring it makes things worse. Step two, verify the notice. Make sure that it is, in fact, legitimate and not a scammer. Step three, know your rights. These collectors cannot take enforcement action. So they don't have the power to file a lien or issue a levy or garnish your wages, and they shouldn't be threatening any of that stuff. Only the IRS can take that action. Even if the third-party debt collector stops trying to collect from you, that doesn't mean the debt went away. It could be transferred back to the IRS for enforcement action. So if you want to settle it, you really should go back and deal with the IRS directly. You can request to have the case transferred back to them. So here's a quick recap of the CP40. It means that your debt was assigned to a private debt collector. It's legitimate, but scammers mimic it. So take the time to authenticate that it's real. The debt still belongs to the IRS. The third-party collection agency is just trying to collect it on the IRS's behalf. And if you don't know how, or you're confused about a path that works for you, we can help. You do have rights. And if you need help dealing with the CP40 notice or resolving your debt, there's a link below where you can schedule your free consultation.